So that's on Yes Bank. We need to talk about the technicals of the market now. Kush Bohra joins in to discuss what he's strategizing today. Kush, hi, close towards the end of the week. So what is your strategy both for the Nifty as well as the mid caps, which have been more resilient, you'd have to say, as compared to the frontliners?
Sure. First up, Ekta, thank you for having me on the show. And you're right. There is a lot more action in the broader markets than on the indices. We live in the age of instant gratification, don't we? And bulls certainly got that yesterday. I mean, we didn't stay low for more than an hour, and we saw a very sharp pullback. Now, for the expiry today, 17,800 put and 18,000 call. They have a very strong base. And I think the expiry trade for the day might be over. We might expire around the current levels. But for the month, 18,000 call and put have a very strong base. And if you put the premiums together, then 17,500 and 18,500 zones are something that the markets will watch out for the rest of the month. Now, Bank Nifty is going very strong, both on the account of private and PSU banks. But this is more of a catch-up trade. Nifty made its high a long time ago. Bank Nifty is just getting there. So I'd be a little cautious here. Another word of caution is, on the RSI front. If we look at the Nifty, in fact, even the Bank Nifty today, there's a very clear RSI divergence. This is an indicator of a trend reversal. Now, I don't want to set the cat amongst the pigeons and say that, we would probably be, reversing the trend, but we're waiting for a confirmation. Below 17,700, if the Nifty closes, I would be light on my leveraged positions. Now, there could be a lot of surprises that could come from the Fed or any other part of the globe. So below 17,700 is where I will be light on my leveraged positions. As far as the stocks go, I have two picks. One of them is ABFRL, the other is Cera Sanitaryware. Now, ABFRL has been going from strength to strength. 300 is a level where the stock had resisted for a very long time. And after that, we've seen a very sharp run up. I expect this momentum to continue. On an immediate basis, the stock could reach levels of 345. And here, if someone enters now, a stop loss would be for 332. Cera Sanitaryware, similarly, we're quite bullish on the entire housing theme, be it housing finance, be it construction, redevelopment, the entire space. So Cera Sanitaryware falls in that space, has been doing very well. We expect the momentum in the stock to continue for about 16,100 target. And here, an immediate stop loss would be 5,700.
All right, take that point. And we do have some more news coming in. And this one comes in on the hospital space. Aster DM has acquired 2% stake in Medcare Hospital LCC for an amount which
51 crores. So I think that's the amount, 51 crores.
51 crore for 2%.
No, or maybe
values the company at about 1,000 odd crores. We'll just try and pull that flash up once again. But it's a 2% stake, so I mean...
Or the larger idea is acquisitions taking place in the entire hospital space. I think that's where, the trend lies. We just covered this a couple of days ago about how M&E is rising within the entire space.
Yes, consolidation in the hospital space as occupancies are rising, and occupancy is rising in the hospitality space as well. Indian Hotels is the other one, which is hitting a fresh record high in today's trading session, just as it has in the past.
Okay,
there we have 51.5 crores. And
it depends, if Medcare Hospitals, where it is, if it is possibly in the UAE, which is maybe their Gulf part of their operations, maybe the valuations would differ, but 2% for 51.5 crores is quite significant, you'd have to say. But they have been looking to grow their Gulf operations also.
Yes. Okay, we will monitor this as it goes along, but it's now time to take a short break, and on the other side we'll have a discussion lined up with Prashant Mehra of Grant Thornton.